Hi guys, 2 or 3 days back I shared the story that I got product from Coolbeds, and I will share the review soon. So after trying all of these cute stuff received from Coolbeds, I just want to say I'm in love with them, especially this bonnet. It is your hair savior. If you have the curly hair problem and you have the very frizziness in your hair, then it's a must go on item. And apart from this, I also ordered these two cute pillow covers which come in this very comfortable satin material. Actually, if we use the normal cotton covers, that damage your hair a very lot, so it is very good for your hair health. So it is very good and you must try first. And apart from this, I also got these three cute scrunchies from every purchase with Coolbeds. So if what else you want, you got the quality, you got the free scrunchies, you got the everything and cuteness and coolness also. Thank you, Coolbeds.